Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing great today. I'm your host, Zain Ali Salari, for the show Just Asking. Today, I've got you a very interesting topic. It's about money. Everybody loves it. Let's be honest in the comment section. Would you want money or love? Or also, one more thing. What would you do if cash wasn't a problem anymore? Let's go and ask people what do you think about this. Hello, guys. Up for a quick questionnaire? Fun one. What's your name?
Aman Inayat.
Aman Inayat. Let's be honest. Love or money?
I think money.
Money.
Yes.
Love will follow, huh? Once you have big chunk of money, big number in the bank, love will follow, right?
Yeah, sure.
Or choose money.
Money.
The money first comes first and love comes
Love follow.
later. Yeah.
Definitely love.
Love.
Both.
Both of them.
Yeah.
We cannot.
In this life, you need both.
Both. You
to-
cannot survive without any of them.
Yeah.
What is that one thing you would choose in between both of these? High paying job you hate or the low paying job you love?
I choose a high paying job.
High paying
Yes,
job?
because we need to distinguish between our source of income and what we love.
What you love.
Yeah.
So when you have good source of income, then
Yeah,
you can,
then
you
we
can
can-
switch your love as well.
Whatever we want, we can do with the money.
You can switch it.
Low paying job which I love.
You
I
love.
want to be there that which area I love, which I feel the most satisfied.
The most satisfied.
Yes.
Every morning you need to go there, you feel satisfied.
Yes, that is the difference.
You will always give a nullify or nail to the job that is high paying, but it does not suit what
Me.
you love.
Yes, that doesn't suit me.
What would you choose in between?
Low paying job, but I
But that you
Huh.
love. Huh? Not the high paying job. It will give you a lot of money.
but the thing is कि अगर mentally satisfied आप नहीं हो तो फिर you know
You need to be mentally satisfied
Uh-huh.
with the amount of money you get
Yes.
in exchange of the job you do.
yes, no.
Definitely low-paying job which I love.
Which you love.
Because definitely it will increase my chances to progress further in life.
So you think the mental and physical and the dream life that all should go all in.
Yeah, I mean, look at the other alternative. If you hate your job, you will not be progressing, or you will not be putting in your
All in to the
all in. I mean, maybe you will put less than 10%.
So you hate it because,
Yeah.
but you get the money, right?
If a job which is paying a reasonable sum,
Then
that's
you can-
better.
Sir, if you could print money legally in Pakistan,
Right.
what is that one thing you would buy from that money?
A 4x4 truck.
4x4 truck?
Yes.
You could have asked for something bigger.
No, I don't need bigger.
I would like to end poverty around the world.
And poverty around the
Yeah.
world. So you will be giving charity.
Yes.
Ooh, that's nice one.
I think log.
Log. Ooh. You will be buying people, huh? That's
Yes.
dangerous one. So,
No doubt.
no doubt.
Lot of things for needies, so that they can live their life happily
And peacefully as well.
and peacefully as
That's
well.
a beautiful
Definitely.
take, by the way,
Yeah.
sir. If money does not matter, then would you quit your job tomorrow?
Yeah, sure.
What's
Yeah,
your job basically?
I would be basically living that life of being in a rural area with my family,
Going back to those
with
rural,
family and raising
doing
family.
farming and all that stuff.
Yes, that's we are truly inside as human beings.
Yeah,
No, that is a need.
that is a need.
There is a big difference between love and money. ठीक है? I need job because I have to live with that. I have to live my life. And I have to give support to my love. That is my children, my wife, my family, my father, my parents.
That's a positive take,
Yes.
sir.
I have already quit my job
Sir, that is so cool. Why did you quit the job?
because
Are
of
you
peace.
Because of
Peace of my mind.
So
Yes.
if you need peace, you need to quit. Sir, how is the life after quitting the job?
It's good, alhamdulillah.
You're doing work.
Yeah,
every
I'm-
evening in Islamabad.
I'm
enjoying?
spending my time with my family, and
very good.
alhamdulillah, Allah is kind, and
It's beautiful. huh?
yeah.
Sir, how do you feel after quitting that thing? Because it's that moment inside.
It is like I am free of shackles.
And now I can do whatever I want.
Yeah.
So it's lovely to see you. You have got social energy.
This
is beautiful scene right here. Look at these bubbles flying out. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's a lovely night right here. We've got these questions to ask from the people, and I'm sure they'll be with us today. Sir, what's your name?
Mudassir. My name is Tarek.
My name is Muhammad Ibrahim.
Mohammed Ibrahim, and what's yours?
Muhammad Ali.
What do you do?
I'm in marketing.
Marketing. What's your name?
Waqar Ahmed.
Waqar Ahmed. Sir, what do you do?
I am student. I am failed.
I'm a student. Okay.
I am a chocolatier and I make chocolates. Yes.
You make
chocolates.
That's lovely business, by the way. Everywhere. I've got this fun question. What would you choose, money or love?
Money.
What? Need it. Yes. I also need money. A lot of money.
Yes. Love.
Love.
Yes.
Money will follow, right?
Yes, money will follow.
Love.
Love.
100%.
100%.
Yes.
You're going to go with love.
Yes.
Both.
Both.
Yeah.
Both are necessary to live a good life.
Yes.
In between these two options, a high-paying job that you hate, a low-paying job that you love, what would you choose?
A low paid job that I love.
That you love.
Yes.
You are going to go with the love and satisfaction, not your money.
Yes. Because if you go for a high paid job and not being going for a happy mode a daily, it's no good for.
It's not. It's not worth that money.
No.
You need to be focusing on mental and physical health.
Yes.
That's good one.
Money is first.
It does matter, son.
Yes. Because you are a student.
You need money.
Yes. Every time new to me.
Every time you give me
One place to another place, you have to money. Yes. My happiness.
happiness.
Yes.
And they say very good buy happiness, right?
I would not buy, I would spend it in the homeless shelters.
Ah, that's a nice take. Lovely kid, huh? What's your take on that?
I'll give every single homeless man $100
$100 to every single homeless
per month.
per month. That's a job for them. Thank you so much for joining us, guy. If you could print a lot of money, what is that one thing you would buy first?
Just buy needy things actually.
Needy things.
Yeah.
There could be some dream thing that you
Right.
would want to buy.
No. I think I'll just have my things and remaining that I'll have some saving. Rest I'll give back.
Give back to the community. That's a lovely take, sir.
That's poor help in short.
Helping viewers. That's lovely.
Yes, sir.
We don't have money for us, but
Yes.
we would want to have it, and then we would want to spend it on poor.
Yes.
That's a lovely take by us. Amazing. This is I love about Pakistan. Everybody is saying
Yes.
to do charity and to spend it on people. Amazing. Thank you so much. Have fun.
I'll buy a house first.
A house first, every boy's dream.
Yes.
We all want to have a house. Yeah. Me too. So I can get that.
Yes. Good luck for that.
Thank
And secondly, I will buy a car.
a car.
A car.
What's your dream? Big car?
It's a Fortuner,
Fortuner.
And,
We could have asked for something bigger.
a Range Rover.
A Range Rover. Yeah, that's good. But if you could get a lot of money, would you quit your job?
No.
No. You love your job.
Yes, I love my dog.
No.
Yeah, you love your job. Huh?
Yes, I love it.
You do some corporate thing or
Yes.
it's just chocolates?
It's just chocolates.
Ah, you love making chocolates. You won't
Yeah.
quit it.
Yeah.
By the way, this is something good happening today. We are trying this Cocoa Avenue chocolate. It's coconut. We're not chocolate lover, but this smell, this feels so good. That's lovely.